called bomber jackets. These are called bomber jackets. Few more designs. These are called ravine cheaters. Have joggers kind of.
Okay, nice. And this is waterproof?
Bomber. This is bomber plus waterproof. 100% pure leather belts.
Okay.
100% pure leather belt. You can squeeze it anywhere, anyhow. We have a 4-way lycra track pants.
This is trending now.
So guys, we have missed
hot cake.
We have missed this item. Yeah. This is our denim jacket.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V for Vloggers. I'm Vignesh and this is Varun. So we are in an exciting place today.
Yeah.
Where is it, Varun?
So the place name is Stag Beetle and it's near Lal Bagh. It exactly comes near to passport office, Lal Bagh passport office.
So for wholesalers, this is the
best place.
Yeah, it's a golden pot. Yeah, you can say.
Like they sell all menswear, like all kinds of menswear, and they
have the best quality.
Yes, best quality with their own brand. It's called Stag Beetle, which we are going to show now.
So this is the wholesale outlet.
Yes.
And there's a retail outlet in
Hebbal. Yeah, like I'll link that place also in the description. If you want in retail, you can go there, and if you want it for a bulk purchase, you can come here.
So this is like people who want to start their own outlet or franchisee, Stag Beetle franchisee or something. This is the best place to come. You can come in and check the material and variety of clothes they have for menswear here.
Yes.
So let's go inside and check it out, Varun.
Right. Okay guys, so we are inside the Stag Beetle now. He's Deepankar. Hi.
Hi friends.
So what and all products we get here? And
see, the products, like you will get the entire men's range.
Yeah.
What you think about? Okay, from shirt, pant, t-shirts, track pants. Now we have introduced our winter wear also.
Okay.
Like jackets, half sleeve, full sleeves, hoodies.
Yeah.
Okay. So entire menswear. We have this year, we have launched our wallet also, belt also. Wallet was launched already earlier.
Yeah.
But we have launched our belt also this time now. So every cycles we are introducing new things. We are introducing
all menswear.
Entire menswear, complete items. Whatever you think about.
So guys, they have full collection here, and it's of their own brand, Stag Beetle. So let's start.
Let us come here.
Yeah.
First we'll show you our range of the shirts.
Yeah.
These are entire half sleeve shirts.
Okay.
You can see our ranges. Okay. See the prints. See the fitting styles, everything you can observe over here. See the products which are you will get it from my shop is 100% guarantee products. Okay. Neither they will get shrink, neither any color will go, neither any bleedings. Anything happens, we are complete responsible. We'll take it back, entire things, whatever you are going to purchase from my shop. Okay.
That's great, guys. I don't think nobody will tell this. So
this is the plain. It's called 2-way lycra. It's the lycra shirt.
Oh.
You can see the stretchability.
Stretchable shirts.
These are stretchable shirts. Yes, correct. These are stretchable shirts. So we have half more. I can show you in the prints. These are the printed shirts. Half sleeves printed shirts. This is the half. There are huge collections. So you might can get think what to take, what to not to take. So these are the collections. So now we'll come about our full sleeves. So these are again the half sleeves.
And what will be the price range?
The price range starts from 350.
Okay.
Okay, and it goes to 400 half sleeves.
Okay.
Okay. Because of the increment of the fabric, sudden increment of the fabric in the market, the price range has got little bit hike. Earlier we were selling it in 325, 330, 340, in that range we are selling it. Okay. Now because of increment of the fabric, we have increased the price range from 350 to 400 rupees. Half will get it. Now these are the prints of half. Again you can see.
And what will be the MOQ for this thing?
MOQ, there is nothing such MOQ kind of.
Okay.
Here you can select whatever you want. For example, if you want this shirt, you have to take the entire 4 sizes, like M, L, XL, XXL. Okay. So, but there is nothing MOQ kind of that you have to take entire 5-6 colors. Okay, for example, in the shirts, if there are 4 colors are there, see, you can see these are 4 colors, 4-5 colors. It doesn't mean you have to take the entire 4 colors. You can choose any of the color, but whatever color you are selecting, you have to take the entire size range.
Okay.
Like if it have M, L, XL, XXL, you have to take the 4 pieces. Okay.
So guys, you even have that flexibility where you don't have to worry about MOQs. So you just have to select the design and purchase it. That's it.
So now here we're coming for the checks. These are our check sleeve shirts. The shirt which I am wearing, you can see it here.
Yeah.
The shirt which I am wearing it. Okay. So I am wearing XL, guys. See, the still after my weight, you can see my weight. After this weight also, this much free is there. So this is my brand fitting. My brand XL comes to me. See, these are the shirts. Now here you can see. I will show you the color prints.
And what is the range for this full shirt?
See, full shirts start from 360.
Okay.
Goes to 450, 500.
Okay.
Okay. It depends on the fabric to fabric. Okay. But it start from 360. See, these are the prints. You can feel the fabric. You can feel the print. Okay. Any problem in the garments, we are going to take entire 100% back. Okay. So now this is the check shirt with a lycra. This is a lycra shirt.
Oh, but it looks like cotton.
It's 100% pure cotton.
Okay.
It's 100% pure cotton. Okay. So now the technology has changed. 100% pure cotton with lycra is coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
So these are the entire range. Now we have a plain shirts also. I'll show you some plain shirts. You can see some plain. This is our plain shirts. This is called cotton satin. This fabric is called cotton satin. You can see the colors.
And these are pure cotton.
These are pure cotton. These are pure cotton. See the speciality of the pure cotton. You can see the scratches. You can see the crush.
Yeah.
The crush shows that it's a cotton. This is the pure cotton. So we have almost 15 to 16 regular color which is always available in plain.
Nice,
Okay.
nice.
16 colors always available in the plain. So guys, after the shirt section, I will move to some jacket sections. We have jackets. These are called bomber jackets. These are called bomber jackets.
Yeah.
So I have cotton sui. These are called cotton sui bomber jackets. Even I have a plain jackets bomber, half sleeve. These are all entire half sleeves. Half sleeve jackets.
And suppose like if they want 1 or 2 quantity and they are outside of Bangalore, like how can they purchase it?
For that, we have our own website named as stackbeetle.in.
Okay.
Plus, we are live in entire platforms like Flipkart, Amazon, LimeRoad, Meesho, Ajio. Then n numbers of platform. There is another platform named as SimSim.
Okay.
So there are n number of platform. You can purchase any of the goods, whatever you're seeing in my showroom. Okay, entire goods are live in my own website. Plus
All
the other platforms.
That's great.
So now I'll show you few more designs. These are called Ravine cheaters.
And what is the range of this?
This will be some around 550 to 560 range.
Okay.
Okay. This varies from time to time. See, this is my new designs of wind cheater.
Full cool colors.
Yes, it's a multicolor jacket. I'll show you a few more designs. See, these are the designs.
So many designs in jackets.
Correct. We have a lot of varieties in jacket. Still more coming. Still more upcoming. Okay. Now after jackets, I will show you some more in my cotton pants.
Okay.
See, I have a lot of varieties in cotton pants. You can see my all cotton pants has a stretchability. See the stretchability. It's all stretchable.
And quality is really good.
This is what I can give you 100% guarantee product.
For this even I can tell because I buy here only.
This is all a knitted dobby. This is all a knitted dobby with lycra. You can feel the lycra.
Yeah.
So these are the colors. Okay. We have joggers kind of.
Okay.
Six pocket.
And what will be the range for this?
This will be 450 rupees.
Okay, nice.
450 range.
Nice.
The speciality of my garments, what can I say you about my speciality is that it is 100% guarantee product. Okay, fitting wise, stitching wise, quality wise,
Yeah.
and any kind of you have any kind of problem, we are always there to resolve your problem. Okay.
And guys, like the reason why we are doing this video is like we personally buy here, like not the wholesale one, the retail store which they have. Like I usually buy there.
He's my very old customer.
So I thought I'll make a video. Why not make a video when they have such a good products?
Thank you, Varun. Thank you.
And you can see the range. Like I can bet like you will never get this quality at 450 anywhere.
Now I will take you to my wallet section. I have my wallets also.
Yeah.
You can see there. It's all pure leather. It's all pure leather. My wallets. See the.
And what is the range of?
This is all at 250 rupees.
Oh.
250 rupees pure leather. 100% guarantee product.
Nice.
100% guarantee product.
And this products also will get it in your website.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Correct. Anything, whatever you're seeing in my entire shop, everything will be available in the website.
I'll be linking all the details in description, website, location, everything. You can check it out. Nice.
Now we will have a dry fit kind of sandos.
Okay.
These are called sandos. You can come and you can see inside. These are dry fit sandos.
And what is the range?
This starts from 160 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
160 rupees. And we have a polo t-shirts also. Take a look.
Okay.
These are our dry fit polos. These are our dry fit polos.
And all these are lycra ones or?
Yes, all lycra one. All lycra one. This is our cotton round neck, cotton sui kind of. This is our round neck, 4-way lycra fabric. This is 4-way lycra.
Oh, nice.
This is 4-way lycra. This 20 colors are there. Anytime these colors are available. Anytime these colors are available.
And what is the price range for this?
This will be costing you. Earlier I was selling it in 200 rupees. Now 20 rupees increase we have did it. We are selling it in 220 because of the little bit hike in the price range. So we are selling it in 220 now. See, these are the dry fit polo t-shirts. Sorry, round neck t-shirts. Sorry, round neck. Dry fit. These are the polo plain t-shirts.
Okay.
These are dry fits. So I make more dry fits more. Active wear. I make more active wear. See, these are cotton sui. These are all active wear.
And colors, you have so many colors in all designs.
Thank you. These are the sandos.
Okay.
Now I'll show you my few more range in shorts.
Okay.
I have this kind of shorts. This is called dry fit shorts.
And what is the price for these shorts?
This will be costing you 210, 220, that range.
Nice, nice.
Different designs at different rate. Start from 220, 210. Sir, now we have introduced this hoodie also.
Winter wear.
Winter wear.
Nice, nice. And this is waterproof?
Bumper. This is a bumper plus waterproof.
Okay.
This is bumper for waterproof. The wholesale price is of 450 rupees over here.
Oh, great.
So we have our belts also. This is 100% pure leather belts.
Okay.
100% pure leather belt. You can squeeze it anywhere, anyhow. You can squeeze it. See, nothing cracks, nothing will come down. So it's 100% pure leather.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So we have introduced this one recently. We have introduced this one. Belts.
What is the price range of belts?
This will be different styles, different rate.
Okay.
Start from 300.
Okay.
Goes to 350, 400 rupees.
Nice. Nice.
This is entire pure leather, entire pure leather. See the color, see the styles. Now we have this active wear.
Okay.
This is called tracksuit. This is a 4-way lycra tracksuit.
Like people who go for gym.
Yes, correct. This is for the gym people.
Yeah.
A morning walk, active wear. Whoever wants to be active. So this is called tracksuit. It has a top and bottom both.
And this kind of clothes, it doesn't take much time for drying, right?
Yes, it's get wet. It's get dry very soon.
Yeah.
Very soon, within a max to max 1 hour. 1 hour it will get dried off. This is a 4-way lycra. These are 4-way lycra.
Okay, this is like full set.
Yes, correct. This is a full
Track
set
suit, yeah.
tracksuit. So we have tracksuit. How many colors we have? We have a huge color range we have. Huge color range we have.
And what
These all are available in my website.
Okay, okay.
These all are available in my website. You can find it out in Amazon. You can find it out in Flipkart. You can find it out in Ajio. Anywhere. So tracksuit.
Now what is the price range for that tracksuit?
Tracksuit is some around 650 rupees.
Okay, okay.
650 rupees. We are giving the set, entire set.
Entire set at 650.
650 rupees, yes.
Nice.
Now we have a 4-way lycra track pants.
This is trending now.
This is a
Everybody wants 4-way lycra track
4-way
pants.
lycra track pants. So I have a huge range of 4-way lycra track pants. Show me the collection. See the colors, see the style, see the pattern.
And how much does this cost?
This starts from 280,
Okay.
goes to 350.
Nice. And guys, you don't have to worry about colors because they have
Huge color,
huge color
huge
collection.
color combinations
Yeah.
we have. No need of worrying of color. And again, I'm repeating for your customers. Whoever shopkeeper wants to come and purchase from our wholesale outlet,
Yeah.
I'm giving an assurance of that it's nothing like that he is purchasing first time. So he might can think about the quality and all those things.
Yeah.
You can. It is my personal assurance. You can take it. In case if you feel like that item is not moving, not good, quality is not according to the price range, we are always there to do replace.
Okay.
We are always there to replace you.
Okay.
Because what I feel that if customer doesn't got if the item doesn't got sold out in his shop, he will not place the order again.
Yeah.
But I don't want to lose the customers. Okay. So 100% guarantee. If anything goes wrong, we are always there to help you out.
So guys, that is the assurance he's giving, and I can tell nobody gives
As a
that.
brand owner,
Yeah.
I am giving an assurance. Please, people visit our shop, see the quality, see the product, feel it. If after also, if you feel that it is not getting moved out or anything getting problem, we are always there to help you out.
That's really great. Seriously.
Thank you.
So guys, Varun has covered the showroom part. Now we are going to the warehouse. Let's go and check it out. So guys, Deepankar has got us into the warehouse of Stag Beetle. So it's his own brand, right? So it's own startup. You can check out the inventory what he has here.
So this is my warehouse, guys. This is the entire where we keep our stock. Okay, from here we do the shipment of all the online whatever we get.
All the e-commerce orders and all.
Entire e-commerce.
You can show them the boxes here. Flipkart them. So
entire
properly organized. Everything is properly organized.
Correct.
Meesho. Okay.
We are into Meesho, Simsim. We are into Meesho, Simsim. Our website. Okay. This Shiprocket is our website kind of.
Okay.
Flipkart, Amazon.
Okay.
Then Snapdeal. Then Ajio.
Okay.
This much platform we are into right now.
We can check out some of
you
the.
can come inside and see the entire stock what we have. Okay. This is a complete range we have kept it here.
So in each design you have some minimum some 50 to 60 colors, right?
Yeah. 100%. Still more are under production.
Okay.
So these are going to come down. Still more are going to come down.
Okay.
So guys, we have missed
hot cake.
We have missed this item. This is our denim jacket. Okay, we have started this item also. Okay, now denim jackets. We have
our own brand.
Yes, with our own brand. This is Stag Beetle, own brand.
Okay.
And what is the price for this?
This will cost you 650 rupees. It starts from 650, goes to 700. Depend on the wash, depend on the fabric, depend on the ounce. Okay, this is a very heavy kind of ounce. Okay, this is 650 rupees. See, I can show you the colors.
Okay.
The quality is really awesome, guys. You won't get this type of quality anywhere, I guess.
And it's stretchable.
I am again assuring you, come visit, see the quality. Once you see it from hand, you will understand about the quality.
Because he has built his own brand, he has this passion to give the best quality. Not like others.
I am more passionate about to build up my brand. So I will give you 100% guaranteed item only.
Okay.
It is tested one.
Okay.
It is already we have made the sample, we have tested it, then only we are doing the production. Otherwise we will not do the production. So this is the another color. So many more colors are there.
Okay.
Okay. So we are into denim jackets also now.
Okay.
My motive is something like you think about to open a retail store, and Stag Beetle is going to give you the entire range. Okay, entire range, entire variations, everything my brand is going to give you.
Yeah.
So we request your viewers, whoever is seeing this video, come up with a mentality to that you need to open a retail store. We are going to give you the entire items.
Yeah.
Start from the wallet, belt, pant, jeans, vest, shirts, everything will give you. Tracksuit, track pant,
so you'll be getting a complete package of everything. So if someone is thinking about opening a showroom or shop or something, you can definitely come to him and get everything sorted here.
Correct.
So we'll be meeting Deepankar's wife. She's here.
My wife Anvesha.
So she is handling the whole
she's entirely handling my e-commerce section.
Correct. Okay. That's really
entirely,
awesome.
But I am just handling the website part, because since we have launched the website newly, it's just been a couple of months, so we need more concentration on that because it's our own website. It's not a Flipkart or Amazon.
D2C is running perfectly right now.
That is running fine.
After COVID, like D2C brands are like flying everywhere.
Yes, correct.
So this is our brand website, and if something gets spoiled in that, our brand name will be hampered.
Correct.